Holy moly, you guys. Happy 2-Minute Tuesday. 2020 is almost over. A few more weeks, I think. Christmas is just around the corner. We're sitting at, I think it's the 18th or 19th today, and there's hardly any snow up here. When I got up this morning, it was crystal clear blue skies, not a cloud in the sky. So I hurried up here to try and make a video, but of course the weather, you can see the clouds, and we're supposed to get snow and all kinds of weird stuff. So I'll apologize for the wind noise now. I didn't bring my mic because I actually didn't think I'd even need it, but I did get the little trials bike up the side of the mountain, quite literally. But let's go, we're gonna go tuck in behind this tree here so I can get you guys out of the wind. And yeah, so it's that time of year, you guys. I always like to try and make a little Merry Christmas, Happy New Year video. So I really appreciate everybody that sticks around through my, you know, even some of my videos get a little boring, but some of them are, I know, you know, when you have a YouTube channel, it's up and down and all over the place. But for the most part, I try and put out fun stuff. So lots of videos to come. 2020 has been one for the record books, I gotta say. You know, with the stuff that's going on. But you know, even when it's weird and not very good, I always try to look to the good, because generally we learn something from, when things are bad, you generally learn something from it. So if that helps, I guess we can look to the positive side and hope that everybody learned a little bit from it. And anyways, 2020 is almost behind us, few more weeks, and we're into 2021. So right on. Sure, a fun little bike. I got it up, you know, I traversed back and forth. I'll splice in a few clips. I'll leave you guys with some cool clips on the little trials bike. Maybe some Christmas music. It was a very big day for me, you guys. It was my sister's birthday as well, so happy birthday to her. And I actually dropped my parents' ashes off the cliff over here. This is our sleepy little town that my family grew up in. My dad's actually like 4th generation, I think, or something like that. He's been here a long time, you know, that he spent his whole life here, and his parents. And anyways, I lost them a couple years ago, so it felt really good to do that. Yeah, what else? You know, thanks to all my, I don't really have sponsors. I guess they call them ambassadors these days. So I'll quickly flash up a list of those guys. I really appreciate anybody that's helped me out over the past few years. That's always nice to have some good quality stuff to use. Lots of videos to come. I did film a few things this summer, so I've got some stuff to post still, and I will leave you guys with some cool trials bike stuff, and I will see you guys very soon. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you're new, definitely subscribe. It's free. Thumbs up never hurts either. Drop some comments, you guys. Let me know how your 2020 went. And I will see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching. So I know this video is probably going to get a little longer, you guys. Generally I try and keep the 2-Minute Tuesday videos to, you know, between 2 and 3 minutes, you know, around ideally 2 minutes, but I wanted to get this one out before Christmas, so it's okay, it can be a little longer. Here's I really like this corner here. I'm going to splice in a couple clips I took a few years back on my KTM with studs on it. I might put studs back on that bike this year because it's a perfect gear for it, but I'll splice those in. A couple of my favorite clips I've ever filmed, but I'll put a card to the video that they're in as well. So yeah, right on. Way steeper than it looks. Holy. It's unreal, I actually broke traction there. All these super steep hills is where I made that spring video. I'll put a link up in the cards right here to it, and it was quite a bit of snow in these valleys. It was pretty fun.